Okay, we're here down in Heber, just east of Park City, Utah, with my Ford Maverick XLT, parked right next to a beast. It's a GMC Denali. Look at those massive wheels. It's beautiful. It's got the Duramax engine. Denali HD badging. Nice. Fenders are really cool. Tailgate. Fans of real Salt Lake. Here's the other side. There's a shot along the back. My tonneau. It's a rolling tonneau versus the Denali tonneau, which is a sliding version. Okay, let's compare the length and the height. So the fronts are pretty closely lined up right there. So there's the difference in the hood. Pretty big. Now we're going to see the differences in the roof. Way taller, the Denali. They have a definite modern antenna on the front. And let's see the differences in the cabs. Right about there. Not too big, actually. But here's the telltale sign that I'm driving a little Tonka truck. Right there. That's a beast. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody.